And so as you guys saw in some of the footage we just showed, we got Papa's Wheeler over at his house and we're giving it a little test ride. So we'd mentioned previously in the videos that there was a little bit of sponginess to the brakes. Well, when we got it out here in the daylight, we noticed right here, let's see if it'll focus. We noticed right here, there's a little moisture on the bottom of the master. Master's leaking right where the reservoir meets the cylinder itself. So, you get a new one on order already?
Not yet.
We're gonna go back, we're gonna get a new one on order. But other than that, this thing feels rock solid. What do you think, Papa? You've taken it for a ride?
Ride's nice.
Stitches?
Not bad.
Feels like a brand new Wheeler to me, if you ask me.
Oh yeah, well, better.
Yeah, we pretty much did everything on it. So we're gonna go through with some more cinematic shots and let you guys enjoy this.